Resource virtualization technologies such as cloud computing have a number of attractive features that enhance flexibility of network services. While these virtual resources, such as storage units, virtual machines, and networks, are individually allocated to services on demand, the complexity of managing these virtual resources has grown, not only when launching a new service, but also subsequently when reconfiguring or optimizing resource allocations in the service. NTT Network Innovation Laboratories have developed a system that can create a virtual network. This system is called Programmable Virtualization Network Technology. Based on Programmable Virtualization Network Technology, the network service is built on the virtual network, which is composed of virtual machines, storage units, and network controllers. Depending on particular needs, this virtual network can control its own traffic flow and the types of data it carries. In addition, it can perform a variety of processing tasks while end terminals communicate with each other. For example, in an enterprise network, proprietary protocols can be used in the virtual network to provide advanced VPN services, or video transcoders may be introduced in the virtual network to convert video data into formats that are appropriate for individual sites of a firm. This system has such a simple user interface for configuring the virtual network that any virtual network operator can start using the virtual network immediately with this system. For example, it usually allocates sufficient bandwidths for video services, and when an emergency or a partial network failure occurs, either voice service is given priority or only voice service is provided on the network. This system has an interface that makes it easy for network operators to implement such network reconfiguration so that a range of services can be provided over an IP network. The Programmable Virtualization Network Technology makes possible ICT solutions which combine networks and information processing to provide communications and networks that transcend the conventional framework of communications. NTT Network Innovation Laboratories see humans at the center of everything and strive to enable them to use ICT without having to concern themselves with the networks and computers being utilized.